Hello and welcome to our video comparing two popular air fryers. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the CHEFMAN small air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. We will evaluate them based on their features and performance and help you decide which one is the better choice for your kitchen. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. If you're looking for an affordable air fryer, the CHEFMAN small air fryer is definitely the one for you. It only costs $39, which is a great price for a compact and efficient air fryer. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is priced at $159, which is a bit steep. However, it does come with additional features that could justify the higher price point. When it comes to functionality, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer wins hands down. It offers 6-in-1 functionality, which means you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate your food. The CHEFMAN small air fryer, on the other hand, only offers manual temperature control and a 60-minute integrated timer. While both are good for basic air frying, the Instant Vortex Plus offers more versatility. If you have a small kitchen or limited counter space, the CHEFMAN small air fryer is perfect for you. It's compact and doesn't take up too much space. However, it also means that you can only cook small batches of food at a time. If you need to cook for more people, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is the better choice. It offers a larger capacity, which is perfect for cooking for 4 to 6 people. Both air fryers are easy to clean, but the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer has an advantage here. It has a non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, which makes cleanup a breeze. The CHEFMAN small air fryer's black basket and tray are removable and top-rack dishwasher-safe, but it doesn't mention if it's non-stick. However, the basket is non-stick, so no cooking sprays required. Both air fryers have advanced safety technology to ensure long-lasting durability. The CHEFMAN small air fryer is CETL approved, has a cool touch exterior, and an auto shut-off feature. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer also has an auto-off feature, along with additional safety features like overheat protection. You can be confident in both of these air fryers when it comes to safety. And that concludes our comparison of the CHEFMAN small air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. Both of these air fryers have their advantages and disadvantages, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.